Koche. Marquee Mall, okay. Turo na kayo ng mga nano ilang nga sa leader ng t-shirt niya. Kasi dakal na ako nagyaya kami nanorin nila sa leader ng t-shirt niya. Sulud na yung bota. Tara. Gani. Second floor. Second floor. Puset. Be a responsible mother. Palatandaan niyo iba pang mga guys. Wear Kapampangan aking sular. Of course, din t-shirt. Dareng. Lokal. Available in what color, Silid? Malamalutong maroon, navy blue,
black.
dark black. And of course, we have our limited edition, very special. Ating yung cheese kembabo with the local white. Glitched tee. Ayan, ating yung detail. 3D ay itang datang na. And with the local detail.
This is for me and for hands. Especially hands.
Don't try it at home. Ating yung details, ayan. Ating yung Wear Kapampangan logo. Ating yung yung logo daw. Kenny tag. Ang po Kenny mo rin ating yung bala mo. Nano sarwanta mo?
Penguin. Papa Ashlyn.
Ice cream? Ali Kenny, nano sa sarwanta mo Kenny?
Yes.
What? This one? You like this one?
Yes.
O sige, next time. May patseti yung pera daddy. Sarap patugot. Hindi naman nakin sa'yo.
Sadly, iblas ko pa. Okay na. What's your
So, nung di sa isali ka rin t-shirts niya, sula kaya kang Wear Kapampangan, kaya second floor na ng Marquee Mall. Supportan tala po rin Kapampangan businesses like this one. Pag-like na rin yung Wear Kapampangan page kaya Facebook. Mamaya tayo na rin. Bye-bye!
Lemonade. Follow with the local. Follow with the local. Follow with the local. Follow with the local. And finish me in your arms again.